How to log in DBS Bank mobile banking? First, if you don't have the application yet, you can go ahead and download it from an App Store or a Play Store. Just open your Play Store and search for DBS mobile banking app. The application would be named DBS Digibank. Once you find the application, simply tap on install button and then it will take a few time. And once it is done installing, you can simply go ahead and tap on open button to access DBS Digibank. From this menu, you need to choose while using the app to allow DBS Digibank to access this device location. Tap allow to send you notifications and then you will land on the sign up or login section. If you haven't yet created an account, you can tap on sign up for Digibank and create an account. To log in, tap login button. Now you have to enter your login credentials, that is your user ID and PIN. In case if you forget your user ID or PIN, tap on forget user ID or PIN link underneath that and then you can recover your user ID or PIN. And tap on login button and with that you will successfully log into your DBS Bank mobile banking. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.